Yeah, it is the freeway. Yeah, it looks like a tanker. Something. It's definitely on the freeway.
Probably the tires. Yeah.
The tires will pop like that?
Yeah, it's right next to the channel on the freeway. Yeah, a lot of smoke. Yeah, it's showing the light, showing the light. There was a lot of explosions out. Yeah. I don't know. You can't really see too much because of smoke. Okay. Bye.
I honestly thought that was it, Gramps.
Eh?
I honestly thought that we were under attack.
You thought we were under attack?
I honestly did.
Well, all this shit going on in the world right now?
No. Be under attack. It wouldn't be here. It'd be in LA. You're gonna get attacked. You're gonna get attacked in the big city.
Yeah. It looks like a box trailer though. Yeah, they just put it out.
They already put it out?
Yeah, you can see the smoke dying.
Oh. I think that if it was a truck, the tires were exploding.
It is a truck. It's a big box trailer.
Is it on this lane or on the other side?
It looks like it's on this side. Because that's where all the personnel is. All the personnel's on this side.
Oh, okay.
Westbound.
Is it sideways?
Yeah.
Or it flipped over there?
Yeah.
Somebody cut him off, maybe. Oh, it is flipped over.
Yeah.
Let's do the helicopter. You can see shit within the shiny that light.
Yeah, it's a box trailer.
It was steady just there, you know?
You know what? It might be a tanker.
Yeah?
It might be a tanker. It looks like a box trailer from the back though. You might be able to tell better than I can.
Binoculars.
Oh, that's true. You can see pretty good with this though.
You can see with that?
Yeah.
Oh.
A little better.